Just sprinkle cinnamon on a lit candle and wait a few seconds. You'll be surprised by what happens next. After I discovered this trick, I stopped spending money on expensive store-bought options. It's simple, powerful, and the results, you need to see it to believe it. Stay with me until the end. You'll want to try this as soon as the video finishes. To begin, gather 3 regular candles. Place them in a small pot on low heat. Let them melt slowly and completely, no rush here. Watching the wax melt is strangely satisfying. Comment below with the name of your city. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Once the candles are fully melted, turn off the heat. Here's an important tip. Don't throw away the wicks. We'll reuse them soon. Next, take a small glass container. It's crucial that it's glass. Plastic won't withstand the heat. Choose any style you want, as long as it's safe and stable. Now, carefully pour the melted wax into the glass container. Fill it evenly. You'll want a smooth, nice surface when the candle cools down. Then comes one of the most powerful ingredients, cloves. Just throw in a generous handful. No need to count. Just enough to cover the surface well. This step might seem simple, but it changes everything in the final result. While the wax is still warm, it's time to add the main ingredient, cinnamon. Add a heaping tablespoon of fine cinnamon powder and mix it well into the wax. Stir slowly to keep everything uniform and well distributed. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. This recipe came from my grandfather, a specialist in homemade tricks that really work. He swore by this tip, and after using it for years, I can say it's the kind of thing that never disappoints. When everything is well mixed, it's time to put the wick back in. Center it in the container, using a clothespin or a stick to keep it upright. Let the mixture rest at room temperature. As it cools and hardens, you'll start feeling the magic in the air. Once it's completely firm, remove the clothespin and cut the wick to your preferred height. Done. You've just created a rustic, fragrant candle. But we're not finished yet. Now, light the candle and feel the cozy scent spread. The cinnamon and cloves fill the room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. But there's more going on here than just a nice smell. This isn't just any candle. What you've created is a natural barrier against unwanted visitors, those that buzz, sting, and disturb a peaceful night. Did you know a candle like this could do all that? Thousands of people are discovering it. And now, you are too. Which part of this tip surprised you the most? Tell me below. I love hearing how you're using these tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.